So, a design mock-up of the Galaxy S25 Ultra has leaked, and it's giving us an early look at the updated design and features of Samsung's next flagship. This mock-up gives a good idea of what the phone might feel like in real life, so let's break it down. First up, the rear camera placement has changed again. It back to a look reminiscent of the Galaxy S22 Ultra, with 3 large lenses vertically aligned on the left, and an LED flash paired with 2 smaller lenses on the right. It's a subtle shift, but one that immediately sets it apart from last year's model. The overall design language has also taken a significant turn. Say goodbye to the sharp corners. The S25 Ultra now has highly rounded edges paired with a flat side frame, a design inspired by the Galaxy S24 series but with a vibe that feels like Samsung's take on the iPhone boxy approach. Now, hear the twist. While the basic and Plus models of the S25 series follow this rounded aesthetic, the Ultra is a bit more squared off. Why? Likely because it still needs space for the S Pen. It's a delicate balance between design and functionality, and Samsung seems to have found a middle ground. Speaking of cameras, let's talk about the camera rings. The S25 Ultra borrows a concentric circle pattern for its camera rings, similar to the Galaxy Z Fold 6. But unlike the Fold 6 where all rings were black, the S25 Ultra matches the ring color to the body, just like the S24 Ultra. This is a small detail, but it gives the phone a more cohesive look. However, one thing to note, in this mock-up, the rings don't appear as prominently as they do in actual devices, so it's possible this detail isn't fully accurate. Mock-ups often miss these finer points. As for colors, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to come in titanium black, titanium blue, titanium gray, and titanium silver. The mock-up seems to show titanium black and titanium silver, but as always, the final product might look slightly different when you see it in person. The usual suspects power and volume buttons are still on the right side, with a USB-C port, speaker, and S Pen slot located at the bottom. But here a curious detail. The SIM tray is missing in this mock-up. This could mean a new placement or maybe even a shift toward eSIM-only models, but it's too early to say. Keep in mind that these mock-ups are based on accessory production blueprints, so they don't always include every tiny detail. So that the Galaxy S25 Ultra mock-up in a nutshell. It's shaping up to be an interesting evolution of the S series, blending familiar elements with fresh design choices. What do you think about these changes? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching.